In this video, I'm going to show you how to do auto cut on Capcut. That is, you want to automatically cut all your clips on Capcut. So I just import a raw footage into the timeline right here, and I want Capcut to automatically cut everything for me and leave me with a very clean video. So let's get into it. So to do auto cut, we're going to click on this icon right here that says remove filler words. So I'll click on it, and it's just going to analyze and identify all of the words. So this just simply works like your auto caption. So it's going to identify all of the words in the video, and it's going to remove all of the spaces and all of the pauses in the video. Alright, so Capcut has done its thing, and it has just identified dead spaces, it has identified pauses, repeats, and filler words from my video. So you can choose some of the portion you want to include in the video, but all of this can also be recovered later on if you find out that they are not there again. But these are all of the clips it has removed. So when you are satisfied with what you are getting, I don't know why it's not identifying this portion as, because I'm not seeing anything right here. I don't know why it's not getting this as, it's not including this as pauses. But anyways, when you are done, you want to click on delete. So that will automatically delete all of those clips and just gives you this link. So you can see that we have from the video is almost 6 minutes before, and now we have it to just 3 minutes 28 seconds. And you can just go to your videos and remove some of the unnecessary parts of the video. For example, all of this, I think the video starts right here. So I can just remove all of this other part that is not needed. So that is how to cut your clip using AutoCut. You can see the video was 6 minutes before, and now we just have only 2 minutes 28 seconds videos to work on. And you can just go to the videos and remove any unnecessary parts that has been left there in the app. So that is how to do AutoCut on Capcut.